That is their say. But what he said, it is our Gauriya Vaishnavas, how they do the yatra. That has been explained by him very clearly, very sweetly. I have got no hold over English. Sometimes I do not find appropriate words. The difficulty is this, to express myself. But another, I told it there in what is Big Islands. You know what I said. What is the significance of Rath Yatra? In Kathopanishad. In Kathopanishad, in significance. But that there got relation with it. Atmarang Rathinang Vidhi. Sharirang Ratha Evatu. Buddhing tu Sadhar Sharating Vidhi. Manapagrami Vaja. Kathopanishad. Atmarang Rathinang Vidhi. This body is Rath. Human body is the best chariot, is the best boat to cross over the ocean of births and deaths. We have got this human birth. And owner of this body is within this chariot, owner of the Atma, soul, individual soul. Atmanang Rathinang Buddhi. Atma is the owner. Is the main hero of the chariot, the fighter, hero, Arjuna's hero. And Krishna was Sarathi. Atmanang Rathinang Vidhi. Sharirang Ratham Evotu. Buddhinta Sharathang Vidhi. Sarathi. Chariot is Buddhi. And Manapagrami. Man is the reins to control the horses. Horses means all the indriyas, all the Gyanendriyas and Panchindriyas, sense organs. They are like horses. If you cannot control the horses, then those horses will take the wrath to a place where you fall down. Man is the king of all sense organs. But here, charioteer is the important thing. Charioteer. Who is charioteer? Buddhi. What is Buddhi? Tesang sadajuktanang bhajatang pratipudbhagam dadami buddhijam tam jenavam upajanti. What sort of, not this Buddhi, intellectual Buddhi, this material intellect. Tesang sadajuktanang bhajatang pratipudbhagam. One who is worshipping me with love, with sincere heart and love. Bhajatang pratipudbhagam. Dadami buddhijam tam. I shall give them that sort of knowledge. How, in which way and which method they can get me. What sort of buddhi? This intellect is the outcome of the material potency of Supreme Law, opera potency. That intellect will not help us. This is not philosophy. Philosophy and Darshan Shastra are not synonymous. You go through Oxford Dictionary, what is written there? Philosophy. Use of reasoning and argument for search of truth. But in our scripture, Rishi Munis, they say, theistic group, that intellect is the outcome of the material potential of the Supreme Lord. By argument you cannot get the truth. If reality is always existing, it cannot be manufactured by the finite intellect and finite mental capacity of a finite human being. Human being is finite. His intellect is finite. His mental capacity is finite. Anything produced by the mind and material intellect, intellectually concocted thing. If reality is always existing, it cannot be manufactured in the factory of mind or intellect. You have to find out a way how to see that truth. Darshan Shastra. Darshan Shastra. It will be revealed. The completely surrendered soul. Nayamatma pravachana labbana medhyana bahuna sutena. By delivering speeches we cannot get. Nayamatma pravachana labbana. No medhya. By intellect. No bahuna sutena. By getting knowledge of all scriptures. But one who has taken shelter to him, by his grace he can get. Sarvita Sharanagati. This is the first step.